Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your videos so that you can add black bars to them in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have a video primed up. I'm going to go into the edit tab, and to add black bars, all you have to do, literally a couple of button presses, you just need to select the video, go into the timeline menu in the top left, and from there you go all the way down to output blanking. Once you're there, you can select any of these aspect ratios that you want. The 1.33 is the smallest one, and 2.4 is the biggest one, of course. So 1.33 is going to have really small, well, rather really large black bars, but at the side, and you can go all the way to 2.0 has these small sort of bars at the top and the bottom, and you can go, and if you select, for example, 185, that is even less. If you go and select 177, it is the least amount of black bar I think that you have at the top and bottom. 166 is the smallest at the sides, and then you can go all the way up to 2.4, which adds these massive black bars if you want to add a cinematic feel to your video. Now, if you ever want to remove them, you just go back to output blanking and go and click reset at the very bottom, and then you're done and you have no more bars. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.